Here we go, guys. On the way to the beach. Let's go. Whoa, Rolls Royce, Zowie. Uh-oh. There's always turning currents you gotta watch out for. Make sure there's no cars anywhere. We're going. Oh, as long as you can keep up with traffic and you're going to save that, we're chilling. This guy's flying. This BMW over here. Oh, bro! Come on! Sorry. That was your fault, 100%. Okay. Alright, go get some bait. Okay, a little bit squiggly. Come on, let's get something. Come on. Have a nice cat. Shrimp?
Yeah, just floating in a group. It's really weird.
Those are shrimp? I was trying to figure out what those are.
I think they're shrimp. Or they're sand fleas.
Look at that. Yeah, I was trying to figure out what those are.
Either sand fleas, I think, or shrimp.
Kind of looks like someone's fishing lure, but it's
What?
not. It kind of looks like someone's fishing lure, like a mimic
No,
of something.
Alive.
They're alive?
I saw them move, yeah.
I mean, they look like they're moving with the water.
Yeah, I know. They don't look alive.
I'm so confused.
They're alive.
What are they?
Did you see a move?
Is it squid or something?
Oh, that's definitely not squid.
I don't really want to cast on that because it's going to catch a rock. I could try.
Oh.
That's the 10th one.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Let's try one or cast. Try to get right on top of them.
And there's lionfish right there.
Lionfish?
Yeah, see them? Yeah, get it. Get those things.
Wherever they are. They got past the rocks. Hopefully I actually got these things, whatever they are.
You got them?
I don't know. I don't think so.
Oh.
I think they just moved. Now they're gone. What the heck? They're gone.
They're quick.
Oh, there they are. I see one. Huh? I don't even know what those things are. Those are sketchy.
Yeah, I know. They look like,
They just dodged me by like a mile. I don't know. I was thinking of catching these.
fish over here too.
There's pilchards, but pilchards are at the bottom. Where's the lionfish?
There's one. See it? See it in the, like, see it under here? It's like right under. See
Oh, that's a
under
nice
here?
size one. Huh.
There's a couple of them.
Take a rod and hook him. They don't usually, they're pretty dumb. I can't eat those, but they're a cool fish. Using as bait. I wanted to get the small pilchards, but they're too low down. They're all at the bottom, which my net doesn't get there fast enough. They just move. They just casually move out of the way. Like, nope. It's like a little game. Can't figure out what that is. I was hoping they'd move up. Huh.
Yeah, there's like tiny fish.
We tried. Come on, I'm gonna get one. I'll find one. I'm gonna get one. I will find one. I'm using the bait. They're over there. Okay, let's try. Literally out of here trying to catch the bait. Come on, guys. They're worth me. Give me a like and subscribe for going on these scratchy barnacles trying to get myself a bait. There we go. There's one. You're not getting away this time. That's like slow motion, bro. That's slow motion. That's how you get them. You don't go slow motion, you get them. Hey, bro. You are coming with me.
Find something?
Spider crab. I'm putting him on bait.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Dragonfish right here.
Ow. What's a
Or
dragon?
lionfish, I mean.
Lionfish.
Yeah,
Huh.
right here below my feet.
They don't usually bite. You have to like hook those things or something like that.
Really,
got the truck.
I'm chucking this thingy out right now. I just worked it up, bro. There we go. Walking the plank. Now we got a bait. Let me go check out my bait. From catching a bait to catching a fish. Let's do it. I got you. I'm pucking it out. Right here, it's gonna slide across the edge and come to where you want it. Something will bite it on the way around. My bait's moving. My bait is moving. My bait's moving there. Be there in a second. I just don't want one of those annoying thingies. Keep on getting them.
Other side of this rock, yeah.
That one or this one?
I did on the other side of this rock, I guarantee you it's the bites.
Get in there.
Right there.
Right there.
Right there.
Come on.
That is,
Chuck out your thingy. Chuck it out. Check it out. Send it. Send it far out. A little farther than that.
right, a little further than that one.
Okay, we gotta get out of here. I'll send you one of my fish home. I'm gonna hook the rock. I'd be very surprised if a fish bites this and doesn't hook me in the rock. But the only one I'm gonna find out. I wanna find another spider bait. Find them spider baits now. Got it. What is it? What is it? What is this guy?
Right here, dude.
There's a what?
That's nice. That's right here. This thing probably this big.
Snook?
Huge.
With a line across it?
No, not a snook. It's just like a big fat ass fish. That looks like a snapper trout mix.
What?
It's literally like this big. It's gotta be over 50 pounds.
Yo, Shmuley, chuck your lure over here. He said there's a big fish down there.
There's like 5.
I'm not sure what this fish is, but he's pretty cool. Beautiful fish. Look how pretty he is. Those teeth, bro. So there's a huge fish right there. Get your lure over there. And look at this guy.
What is it? What kind of
I don't know, I'm about to find out.
over here? Right around here, yeah. Fast.
Pretty cool fish. We got another spider boy on. Send him out. He ate the crab. Barnacle eater. I wonder if he's kosher. Actually a very pretty fish. Oh no.